is Kevin, and this is Mopnado, the world's fastest, most convenient, and hygienic mop system. Using its patented spin drive, Mopnado can handle accidents of any size by literally washing and drying your mop head during use. So, if someone decides to open 3 cans of perfectly good soda and spill them on the floor, after squirting some ketchup and mustard for good measure, you'll have no trouble cleaning up afterwards. With its super absorbent microfiber mop head, soaking up large amounts of liquids is a breeze. Just look at how easily 1 full liter of conveniently poured soda gets absorbed. Shocking, isn't it? The secret behind its success is the handle-driven spin function that allows the mop to be washed and dried in its own bucket. Mopnado also features a unique twist lock, allowing you to extend the handle to clean hard-to-reach places. Use it wet or dry, and finally take care of those areas no one will be able to see. The mop head design lets you quickly switch mop heads, and the microfiber is soft enough to clean almost any surface. So switch from tile to hardwood floors in a heartbeat. Just don't try to mop your carpet. Old clunky mop systems are heavy and won't get dry enough to use on delicate surfaces. With the stainless steel spin basket, Mopnado can get as dry or as wet as you need, so you never have to worry about damaging your floors ever again. Just spin faster for a dry mop head and spin slower for a wet mop head. It's that simple.
Introducing immense power with the Rigid Gen 5X brushless 18-volt 4-mode impact wrench. The brushless motor flexes up to 450 foot-pounds of pure torque and runs 50% longer than ever before. With 4 modes to control it all, 3 levels of selectable torque, and an auto mode that automatically stops when it begins to impact to keep from over-tightening nuts. For low visibility situations, the tri-beam LEDs allow you to see your point of impact without shadows. It's also built to last with a die-cast gearbox and has a 1/2-inch friction ring anvil for quick socket changes. Power it with any rigid 18-volt battery and power it for life.
Introducing Safe Rail, the best-selling safety rail net by Roving Cove since 2016. Safe Rail's innovative design transforms the way babies and pets are protected from the dangerous gaps in balcony, stairway, and deck railings. Here's why Safe Rail is the best. Safe Rail invented the use of cable ties to secure the net and is the only brand to offer custom-made cable ties that are releasable and extra long. No more messy strings. Safe Rail is made of premium, heavy-grade fabric with rounded corners and a see-through mesh, customized by rolling back the sides and bottom to fit the desired length. Safe Rail invented the use of cable tie mounts that stick to the floor, wall, or post to secure tightly and neatly without leaving holes. The mounts must be pressed very firmly and held for several seconds. Adhesive must set for 12 hours undisturbed before looping cable ties through them.
Keep your car neat, clean, and organized with the Stashaway Seatback Litter Station. The Stashaway combines a leak-proof covered trash can with storage pockets and a tissue box holder, providing a full-service cleanup station on the seatback. It holds 2.5 gallons of trash and features an innovative stuff-top lid that stays closed even while tossing the trash. The Stashaway is easy to assemble and install on any seatback in minutes. Place a standard or family-sized tissue box into the back compartment and secure it with the hook and loop tab. Then slip the 2 side braces into the slots behind the carry handles. The braces keep the Stashaway stable and upright. Next, wrap the adjustable hanging strap around the headrest post and cinch to tighten. You can position the litter station higher or lower on the seatback for the best reach. That's it. The Stashaway Seatback Litter Station is ready to use. 2 side pockets with cinch-tight closures keep bottles and containers upright. The Stashaway is fully leak-proof, so spills won't stain carpets or upholstery. High Road Stashaway Litter Station is a full-service seatback organizer to keep the ride room clean, contained, and organized.
A tool that pulls double duty. The new Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer. It's a pry bar when you need the leverage. And a hammer when you need to drive it home. The magnetic starter holds the nail in place for a one-handed start. and the large striking head goes to town. The new Craftsman Flex Claw Hammer. Craftsman, when it matters.
Being struck by falling objects is a common safety issue in the workplace. Even a small falling object from a height can cause serious injury or damage. Injuries, damage to equipment, workplace disruption, loss of productivity, project delays, workman's comp claims, and possibly loss of life are many of the reasons why being safe when working at height is critical. Klein Tools' growing line of tethers and tools for working at height are designed to protect you, your tools, and your job site. Tool tethers keep your tools close at hand while working at height. If an accidental drop occurs, the tether lets you easily recover the tool. Klein offers a line of work at height tools designed for tethering. Each tool is designed and tested for use when working at height. These essential tools will help keep the job site safe and productive.
We've redesigned storage, the ability to bring it to you or take it with you, all without stepping foot in your bed. Undercover swing case, made here in the heart of America. It's weather tight and secure. Simple one-tool installation. Swings out, then stows out of the way in the unused area of the bed. Perfect for work, for play, or unexpected emergencies. Built for truck guys by truck guys. But easy enough to handle, Mom could use it. The days of sacrificing your tonneau for a toolbox are over. Welcome to convenience. Welcome to security. Welcome to the redesigned Undercover Swing Case.